Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Davinci noise reduction. First, navigate to the color page in Davinci Resolve. Here, you will find two main types of noise reduction, luminance and chrominance. Luminance noise appears as grain, while chrominance noise shows up as color speckles. Understanding these differences is key to effective noise reduction. We will explore how to apply these tools to clean up your footage, ensuring a professional and polished look for your projects. Let's dive into mastering luminance noise reduction. On the color page, locate the noise reduction panel. Adjust the threshold to target the specific brightness levels where noise is most prominent. Then, use the spatial threshold to control how broadly the reduction is applied across your image. For moving footage, fine-tune the temporal threshold to reduce noise consistently over several frames. Remember, a little goes a long way to maintain detail. Now, let's tackle chrominance noise, which often appears as distracting color blotches. In the same noise reduction panel, switch to the chrominance controls. Adjust the threshold here to precisely target and remove those unwanted color speckles without desaturating your image. The motion range setting is crucial for temporal chrominance noise reduction, helping to smooth out color inconsistencies across your video. Aim for a clean, natural color rendition. For advanced techniques and best practices, always remember to apply noise reduction sparingly. Overdoing it can lead to a plastic, artificial look, losing valuable image detail. Utilize a node-based workflow in Davinci Resolve. This allows for non-destructive adjustments and greater flexibility. Always preview your changes in real time, ideally at 100% zoom, to accurately assess the impact on your footage. A balanced approach yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.